It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. What happens if I give ice to my dog? Crushed ice is a refreshing and hydrating treat for your dog on days when temperatures rise. Yes, dogs can eat ice, but in moderation. There are also certain things to keep in mind when offering ice to your pet. Let's learn more about how to give ice to your dog. 1. Is ice good for dogs? During hot days, chewing ice chips or crushed ice can help keep your dog hydrated without having to drink too much water too quickly. Drinking too much water too quickly has been linked to bloating. The condition is most common in large, deep-chested breeds, such as Great Danes and St. Bernards. Drinking a lot of water can increase the likelihood that your dog will swallow a lot of air while he drinks. This often happens after exercise. After your pet has done some strenuous physical activity, you can offer ice chips or small amounts of water at a time until he or she is well rested and has free access to water. Giving ice cubes or chips reduces the rate of water intake by overly excited or tired dogs. Veterinarians often recommend ice cubes to dogs recovering from surgeries to slowly introduce water into their bodies. Ice cubes can also be given to dogs that are vomiting to see if they can retain fluids. Ice cubes in your dog's water bowl when he travels are also a great way to encourage him to drink more water. 2. Crushed ice versus cubed ice. Is there a difference for your dog? Aggressively chewing ice cubes can increase the chance of damaging your teeth. Tooth enamel can be significantly worn away by frequently chewing on something hard. Smaller ice cubes or shavings can help prevent tooth damage. 3. Can ice cubes help prevent heat stress in dogs? Sweating in dogs is not as efficient as in humans, even more so in dogs that are covered with thick, fluffy fur and in brachycephalic breeds. Dogs are more likely to suffer from heat stress or heat stroke during hot, humid days. Heat stroke can be life-threatening. You should also be careful not to encourage excessive exercise or physical activity, especially during the hottest hours of the day. If your dog is showing signs of heat stress, veterinarians never recommend soaking your pet in an ice bath. This can set off a potentially dangerous chain of events as your body is exposed to too much cold too soon. A better way to cool your dog is to use towels soaked in cold water. Wetting the dog's belly and paws with cold water can also be helpful, as can turning on the fan or air conditioning. 4. Can ice cubes be given to puppies during the teething phase? Ice cubes are not recommended for teething puppies. A better way to help relieve your pet's pain and discomfort associated with teething is to freeze a wipe and let your pup chew on it. However, you don't want to overdo it, as this could teach him that it's okay to chew on fabric. To avoid this, it is best to offer cold chew toys to your teething puppy. 5. Can ice cause suffocation in dogs? Although cases are very rare, this is a possibility. Ice can pose a potential choking hazard when a dog ingests a large piece that could lodge in the animal's airways before melting. The risk is greatest in dogs that cannot chew ice well due to severe dental disease or missing teeth. Some dogs have difficulty chewing and swallowing due to certain health problems. Swallowing large ice cubes can also be a problem for these dogs. 6. How to safely give ice to your dog. Give small pieces of ice to prevent your dog from choking. It is best to offer crushed ice or ice chips, especially to smaller dogs. Be sure to use clean water when making ice for your dog. Avoid giving your dog hard ice chips because it could easily break his teeth when he starts chewing and gnawing on them. Some dogs prefer to have ice in their water, while others like to be given ice separately. Watch your dog carefully when you offer him some ice to know his preference. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.